Hi, today in front of me ZTE AXON 25G and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap to network and internet. Just to activate Wi-Fi, we should click on the switcher, or to turn it off, we should use the switcher by the same way. Click then to Wi-Fi section and just you'll see here all the available networks. Tap here to one from these networks and enter the password. To see this password, click on this checkbox to have no sound mistakes and then just tap to connect. Wait a second and now we can see that we're just successfully connected to this network. So also I got one more way how we can do that. Just open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate or turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click on this icon, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while the icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.